welcome back to the channel. So today I have this gorgeous wig from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is one of my favorite companies. I love working with them. So they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 20-inch frontal wig, and you know, I try to hook it up and make it look as natural as possible. It's kind of the look I was going for. I did, you know, cut the ends and make them a little blunt. You can kind of see, you kind of can't, but I don't want to prolong anything. Everything you guys need will be in the description. Now let's hop into this video. I had to go ahead and make my part off camera because my hot comb wouldn't have reached the way that I wanted to. So this is all the hair to the front. So firstly, we gotta install it, and then after installing is going to be the like curling tutorial. I'm going for like loose waves, not like super body wavy like curly waves, but you know, like pretty natural curls. And this lace, y'all, let's talk about it, because what is it giving? It's giving very much scalp. They snapped. It's very much invisible. What? That looks so crazy. This lace is amazing. I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond today, and I'm just gonna try to not cut the freaking wig completely off, but I have it measured perfectly to my head. Just getting those ear tabs cut off, of course, because they're a little long. And using this because it makes the hairline look way more natural than just going across with some scissors. That looks so amazing, y'all. And it's dangerous. This is very dangerous. Do not recommend doing this how I'm doing it unless you have done it before, because baby, when I say I really can't freaking see what I'm cutting, I'm just kind of not chancing it, but just trying to use my own intelligence. So as y'all can see, there's still some lace. So for this very close to the hairline, I'm gonna just finish cutting it in the mirror, and then I'll come back and we can get this glued down. So the lace is completely on there. So now it's time to just kind of lift it up and push it back very slightly. Trying to remember where, you know, the placement was. I think I can. Look at the Ghost Bond. My Ghost Bond a little ghetto, y'all, so it's not gonna be, I lost a little top, so I literally gotta squeeze it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 layers just because it's starting to get hot where I live.